Welcome to Rock Creek Containers, your top choice for dumpster rental in Hendersonville, North Carolina. Our reliable and efficient services are perfect for all your waste management needs. Rock Creek Containers offers a variety of dumpster sizes to suit any project, big or small. Whether it's a home renovation, construction site, or spring cleaning, we've got you covered. Our experienced team ensures timely delivery and pickup, making your project hassle-free. We pride ourselves on providing excellent customer service and competitive pricing. Rock Creek Containers is committed to environmentally friendly waste disposal practices. We work hard to recycle as much as possible and minimize landfill waste. Renting a dumpster is simple with our easy online booking system. Visit our website to choose the right dumpster for your needs and schedule your rental today. Our customers trust Rock Creek Containers for our reliability and commitment to quality. We strive to make every rental experience smooth and efficient. For more information or to book your dumpster, call us at 828-692-9017 or visit us at www.rockcreekcontainers.com. Dumpster Rental, Hendersonville, NC. Rock Creek Containers, your trusted partner for dumpster rental in Hendersonville, North Carolina.